Hi, this is Jojo from Sneaker Lab. Here's our step-to-step guide on how to clean your white leather Stan Smiths. You will need a sneaker cleaner, premium brush, a container of water, microfiber towel, sneaker wipes, odor protector, and our leather care. Start off by unlacing your shoes and putting them aside, as you will clean these at a later stage. Removing the shoelaces gives you easier access to the uppers of the shoe. Use our premium brush to remove the loose dirt on the sneakers. You can also tap the sneakers with your hand to get rid of excess dirt. Grab a sneaker wipe and do a spot clean. This will get rid of any surface level scuffs and stains as we prepare for the deep clean. Generously spray the sneakers with our sneaker cleaner, focusing on heavily dirtied areas. Dip the premium brush into the container of water. Gently scrub the upper of your shoe in small circular movements. You won't harm the leather with our premium brush, so don't worry about getting stuck into the dirt. Rinse the brush and reapply sneaker cleaner when necessary. Once you've cleaned your upper, make your way down to the midsoles of the shoe. After you've given your undersoles a good scrub, use our microfiber towel to partially dry them off and set aside to dry. Now that your sneakers have been cleaned, we can move on to the laces. Spray sneaker cleaner on the laces, rub them together in your hands, and dip them into water. Continue this process until your laces are well saturated and beginning to appear clean. You can then wring out the water and leave to dry alongside your sneakers. Once your laces and shoes are dry, lace up your kicks in preparation for applying our odor protector and leather care. Use our odor protector to keep your sneakers feeling fresh for longer. If you have innersoles that are removable, spray them and the inside of your sneakers. This will fight off any unwanted odors. Apply leather care to a microfiber towel and gently massage into the leather and leave to air dry. This will help keep your leather sneakers looking fresher for longer. And that was our step-by-step guide on how to clean your Adidas Stan Smith sneakers. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out our social media platforms to stay tuned for more sneaker-related content from Sneaker Lab.